What's going on? It's Katie here, and today I'm going to show you how to remove noise like this in DaVinci Resolve. It's very simple, it does an incredible job, and it's been my lifesaver, so I wanted to share it with you. One thing I want to note is that this is a very heavy effect, so it's either going to be the last thing that you do, or once you add it, maybe turn it off so that you can actually finish your edit and get smooth playback. Your export is also going to take longer because it's a heavier effect. Just something to keep in mind. Let's hop into it. All right, so let's head over to the color tab. As you can see, there's all this noise back here that we want to reduce. It's of course okay to have noise in your shot, but there's definitely a line where when there's too much, it can actually just be distracting. Create a node at the beginning. You can press Shift and S or right click, add node, add serial before. On this node, head over to motion effects. Under temporal noise reduction, select anywhere between 3 and 5. I usually go for 5. Click better and medium. Let's bring up the luma and chroma to somewhere between 3 and 7. The higher you go, the more noise it'll remove, but you don't want to do too much, otherwise your image will start to look too soft and a little bit unnatural. Under spatial noise reduction, let's change the mode to better, radius to medium, and bring the threshold up a bit as well. I never use the motion blur, but feel free to play with it if you want. Now you can see the before and after and how much better it looks. Thanks so much for watching this video. If it helped you out, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time with another tutorial.